How to make this cute star with just 5 pieces of paper or card. So I started with an A4 piece of card. Honestly, mine was too thick. It was 225 GSM, but it did still look really good. It was just a wee bit tougher to fold, that's all. You can just use scissors to cut off the extra, although I did end up just using my cutter. But if you've got a Cricut and can be bothered, you could cut 5 squares on there. To be honest, I probably do that next time, but yeah, you just need 5 squares. And then you can see I just go from one corner and fold into the centre. Try and get that middle bit as perfect down the centre as you can, and then do the same on the other side to get the little kite shape. And then just fold that top triangle over. Just fold each of these bits into the centre. And you can see, because my card was so thick, it was starting to lift a little, but it honestly still looked great in the end, so just don't stress too much when you're doing that if you see that like in the middle start to kind of bubble up almost. And then you're just going to unfold those parts and glue down in the middle. And then push those bits down onto there so that you've got this little kite shape. So it should be like this. And then repeat that 5 times so that you've got 5 of those little kites. And then we're going to push that centre part out to get a triangle like this, and do the same with all 5 of them. Next, put some glue on that top triangle that you can see, add another on top, and then just repeat. When you get to your last one, you're going to add some glue, but then this time we're going to unfold it around so that it meets. And once you've done that, just like squeeze those 2 parts together so that it helps them just stay together. And then I've just hole punched at the top to add some ribbon, and it was done. So easy. I can't believe this was just 5 bits of card or paper. Let me know if you try it. And follow along for more cute crafts.